Happy All Eyes on Friday, my friends. Today we are doing a Purple Haze look, beautiful purple eyeshadow look for those beautiful brown eyes. Mascara, as you can see here, are these amazing magnetic tins, so you can customize your own personal compact, so there's no waste. So the first magnetized tin I'm using is SABRINA as my base color to get a nice solid set right there. Now I'm going in with BUBBA, windshield wiping her into my crease. And now I have hooded eyes, so you see that I lifted my eyes and set them back down. I'm keeping them nice and settled, and I'm drawing another line above onto my brow bone, getting out of that hood so that when my eyes are open, that color doesn't get lost into the crease of my eye, which all hooded eye lovelies know how frustrating that can be. So drawing that extra line gives the illusion that your crease is up higher. Now I'm taking LULLABY, which is like my go-to girl. I love her so much. She is our base color that we're using in the crease of our eyes to give an ombre look and to take that purple so it blends up into our eye and it gives this beautiful warm look. I'm adding a little bit more BUBBA to the top because I went a little too high with LULLABY because I want that brown warmth at the top. Now I'm taking Kin, which is a nice deep purple, but she has some warmth to her. And I'm taking her to the outside of the eye and to the inside of the eye using a tapping motion and around the corner of my eye, making sure I'm tapping any excess off before I go in, but I'm making sure that the inside of my eye is not getting any purple. I want to keep that inside of my eye there so I can have a nice open, wide look. Blending it in the corners. And now the showstopper, as if. I'm creating the appearance of doing an eyeliner at the bottom. Now I'm still using the eyeshadow everything brush here, so I'm creating like a thick appearance of a purple eyeliner, and I'm not going in past the center, that nice bright center right there. I'm tapping her into the corner of my eye, making sure that I'm not going in too far, just to add some depth, and I'm going back to that Kin color that we originally used on our hood of our eyes to blend her in. So she has that nice ombre appearance of lifting up, sweeping up. Now I'm sweeping with my finger and just lightly tapping Tangled onto the middle of my eye. So it's nice and super bright. So with my hooded eyes, it'll just give this really nice, bright, open-eyed appearance. I'm blending in the sides just slightly with some more Kin. Now I'm going back in with As If, and we're gonna give this eye look so much more depth. We're gonna place her into the crease of our eye, nice and tapping so it's nice and pigmented, then going back in with LULLABY, that first purple look that we put in, to blend that out and to give it a nice ombre look. Look how much depth that just gave my eye. So, so darn warm. Going in with BUBBA onto the inside of my eye, and then going back in with LULLABY on the outside of my eye to connect that ombre look on the side, but to smoke it out. Cleaning up a little bit with just some SABRINA, and I had a tiny bit of fallout. Mascara is amazing, seriously amazing for having barely any fallout. I mean, could you imagine this with most eyeshadows doing purples? So, and there it is, my friends. If you like this video and you want to learn more, comment below. I'm here to answer any questions that you have. If you need a color match to mascara, just message below, and I'm here to help you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, my friends.